today I'm going to be showing you this. Let's do some art. So I got these markers and I did not do this thing right because it's hard. I don't know, finding the things, so I just did all of the colors on the wrong ones. Okay. Sorry, I didn't want to show off, but sorry. And not to be like the thing, okay. I don't know if it's Hotu or no. Hotu or Ho, I don't know. Okay. So this is a Mickey Mouse Christmas book. I was trying to find a blank page, but maybe I'll just do it on this Hello Kitty one that I got for Christmas. What should we color?
Do we have the game?
Okay. Let me put this under so it doesn't bleed. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I don't know what to draw, so I'm gonna get a black mocha. I'm gonna draw like all these dots. Do that and make that a little bigger too, and do that one more. Okay, this is good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put like a bunch of like colors and like stuff on the dots, and like on the camera it shows it like wrong, but like it's not like that. It's on the right side, why I'd rather wear, but on the camera it looks weird. Sorry. So we're gonna do like. We'll do like some blues and some purple, matte pink. How about we do like pretty like pink or like purple? I think these are the colors we're gonna be using. So these colors. I'm gonna use this one. Just gonna dot on the marker, and I like that. You should get the small one too with this brush, but you don't have to. It's just I feel like those are good. Okay, so I put that back. Sorry, I'm putting it in here and putting it. Okay. Next, I'm gonna just put that in. This one on. The video's about to end. I did it off camera, sorry. This is how it actually looks. When I put it like here, like this. But this is it. The L and all the dots. Sorry. This is it.